Once you've generated a webbed plate, as you can see, like the phage has taken over this plate and there's less bacteria, and you can see the spots on the plate. So we're going to do flooding this web plate with phage buffer to take the high concentration of phage off of the plate and put it into the phage buffer. And that would be used for further serial dilutions to figure out the titer of your lysate once you flood the plate. So you're going to use a serological pipette to pipette 8 milliliters of phage buffer onto your plate. And then you'll put that into your plate and just flood the entire plate. And then you're going to let that sit overnight and come back to take the lysate off the plate. Okay, so now since it's the next day, we'll be taking the lysate off of the plate to collect the high titer lysate, which should have our phage in it at this point. So you're going to use your syringe to do this, and then once you get the liquid into your syringe, you'll filter it. So you can get your filter ready at the beginning, but remember to not take it out of the packaging to keep it sterile. You can open it up and put it by the flame. And then to get the lysate out, it's a little bit difficult just because it's all spread around the plate. So take the lid off and then pull it on one side of the plate to kind of use it to get it to pull on the other side. So you'll take your syringe and collect your liquid. If you get in your liquid some of the bacteria or some of the agar, you will filter it out in the end. So you're going to put your lysate into this tube and okay. So you can move your filter onto your tube, and that keeps the bottom part sterile, which is the part that you want to stay sterile. And then slowly push that down into your tube to filter it. If you still have more lysate on your plate, you can unscrew your syringe, leave the filter on there, and then take out more lysate from your plate. And then once you've filtered it through, then you have your high titer lysate that you can do serial dilutions with to determine the concentration.